Imagine trading a $100,000 account for less than the cost of a night out. Sounds too good to be true. Well, today I want to share with you a brand new offer from the 5%ers that has really caught my attention. It is called the Summer Plan, and for just $149, you can start working towards managing a $100,000 account. I have not seen this offer anywhere in the prop firm industry, but here's the important question. Is this a good opportunity or simply a cheap opportunity? Let's break it down. I have worked with the 5%ers for many years now. In 2025, I passed their Hypergrowth funded program accessing a fully funded trading account. I have noticed that one thing they have done consistently well is create different funding models that suit different types of traders. Some traders want instant funding, whereas others prefer hypergrowth, like myself. Others prefer high stakes with a high risk and high reward feature. But this summer plan is aimed at traders who simply want the most funding capital they can gain for the least amount of financial input. This is the lowest entry price that I have seen into such a large account. And honestly, for just $149, it's difficult to not take notice. So let's break down some features of this $100,000 account and see if it's really worth it. Naturally, having a lower price should not be the main focus of this account, but lowering the price barrier means that entry to this program becomes much more accessible and more traders can get started. Other than the low cost of the entry price, another feature that stood out to me is the fact that you can trade multiple accounts. In fact, you're allowed to trade up to 6 different accounts with this program. Why is this a useful feature? Imagine that you pass your first account. Instead of relying on just one funded account, you could instantly purchase another program and pass that account as well, so that you are trading 2 funded trading accounts. This not only increases your profits, but it also gives you options if you have multiple strategies, so that you can have different accounts to trade your different strategies. Alternatively, you can just scale your capital across multiple accounts, ultimately making more money long term. For traders who are consistently making profits, this is a great way that you can grow your account quickly with a lower risk. Another feature that caught my attention is the fact that you can hold overnight. One thing that many of you ask me is, Emily, do I need to close my trade every day? With this plan, the answer is no. Overnight positions are permitted, which is great if you are a swing trader or someone who has a full-time job and can't always be at the market when the market closes that day. It gives you much more flexibility. This feature is probably the feature that's going to grab the headlines, and that is that you can pass the account in just one trade. Technically, it is possible to pass in just one trade. Now, before everybody rushes off to risk everything, that's not what I am suggesting. The point is that if your strategy focuses on producing a very large winner, the rules don't force you to keep trading unnecessarily. It rewards quality over quantity. Personally, I would still approach this funded account program the way that I approach every funded account program, trading my edge, focusing on managing my risk, and following my trading plan. Who is this summer plan actually designed for? I would say it comes down to traders who want the cheapest entry route into trading a funded account, beginners who don't want to spend hundreds of dollars upfront to get started, or if you simply don't have a large amount of money to trade live. This program will benefit swing traders who like to hold positions overnight, and also traders who are looking to scale into multiple funded trading accounts. If that sounds like you, it's definitely worth taking a closer look at. I've just come to the Fiverr's website, and at the top on the banner there is the Summer Plan Start Trading. This takes you to the main page where you can find out all the information that you need to know about the summer plan. The main points include the fact that you can trade multiple trading accounts, up to 6 different accounts. Great for scaling. You can trade overnight, brilliant for swing traders. You can pass in one trade, ideal if you like to take large winning trades. And there are options as to whether you want to carry out the 1-step or the 2-step program. Regardless to what you choose, it is a $100,000 account. Let's break down the details together. For the 1-step option, you have an unlimited amount of time to pass the program. A 6% maximum loss, so you don't want to exceed 6%, otherwise you lose the account. A 3% max daily loss, and a 10% target. 1 to 100 leverage. If you're risking your account properly, then this will be by far enough leverage to trade. Maximum number of active accounts are 2 for the one-step program, and this is a $249 option. If you can respect the rules and hit the profit target, then you become a funded trader. And here are the details for the funded trader. The main one being that you get a 75% share of profits made on the account. If you decide to go for the two-step program, you also have 2 different options, and this affects the overall price of the account. Option number 1 means that you are aiming to make 8% profits for step 1 and 5% profits for step 2, and this account costs $179. If you choose the second option, you've got a higher profit target of 10% for step 1 and the same 5% profit target for step 2, and because you are aiming to make more on the challenge, that brings the overall price down to $149. So the cheapest option, if price is your focus, to access the $100,000 account funded program, is the two-step and the second option, the larger profit target of 10%. Regardless to which option you go for the two-step process, the other parameters remain the same. So you get an unlimited maximum trading period. You just need to take 1 trade. So if you take 1 trade over the summer and it is a huge winner and you manage to make your 10% target, you could immediately pass in just 1 trade. The maximum loss is 10% as well on the account, so there's a very nice buffer with that, and you also get the same maximum daily loss. Repeating the process for step 2, if you are fortunate to respect the rules and pass the program, you get access to the funded account. And again, you can see the details here for the funded account. There's slightly more profit share with the two-step program where the trader keeps 80% and the 5%ers keep 20%. And one of the things I love about the 5%ers is they still give you the option to scale the account. So whether you go with the one-step or the two-step program, they also have a scaling option. When you hit 10% profits on the account, you can still make more money. You can still trade a larger account so that ultimately you can receive more money from your trading. If you still have questions that are unanswered on the summer plan, it's very simple to just go to their website and find the answers on here. If you would like to check out the summer plan for yourself, remember that it is only available for a limited time. I've left a link where you can sign up in the description below. And if you decide that it is right for you, I would really appreciate it if you use my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything, it just supports my channel so that I can keep creating free trading education every week. As always, don't choose a prop firm just because someone on YouTube tells you to. Make sure to read the rules, make sure that it is right for you and that you are consistently profitable. If you've enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.